If you use cloud services to store or backup your files, photos and data, then whenever cloud company want, they can read your data and access all of your data. So today in this video, I'm going to discuss with you one more step before uploading your data to any cloud service like Google Drive, Dropbox and any other else. And if you do this step, then your data will be completely secure and no cloud service provider can access all of your data. So in this video, I'm going to step by step guide you how to do that and how to protect your data from the all cloud service provider. So without further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. Okay, so guys, right now you can see my computer screen. And here in my desktop, I have a couple of important files of mine for my taxes. So in typical way, if you want to take backup or upload your file in cloud, whatever you do, you just drag that file and drop it on your cloud provider's drive. But it can be risky. If anyone get access to your cloud drive, they can easily access this data. And also, if cloud company wants, they can access it too. So now let me show you how you can protect all of your data and before uploading whatever you should do with your data. So first of all, open up any of your browser. Then you have to search for an application called Cryptometer. Then go to this website cryptometer.org. So this is a free application that can help you to encrypt all of your data on your computer before uploading to your cloud service provider. This Cryptometer application available both for Windows, Linux and Mac. Now from here, click on download free, then click on download. And it should start downloading the Cryptometer.exe file on your computer. Once the application gets downloaded, double click on it to open the installer. Then access the license agreement, then click on install. And it should start installing the Cryptometer application on your computer. And after that, click on launch. Then click on this plus icon to add a vault. Then click on a create new vault and name your vault. Here I'm going to type tax. Then click on next. Then click on custom location. Click on choose. And I'm going to save it to desktop. Then click on next. Then next again. And now here you need to type a secure password. Remember guys, you cannot forget this password. Once you forget this password, you will completely lose the access of all of your data. So here I'm going to type my password, confirm the password again. Then from here select no thanks, I will not lose my password. Then click on create vault. Then click on done. So guys, now here you can see we have a vault in our desktop named tax. Double click on it and here you can see all the important files. Now if you want to unlock this, select the vault, click on unlock, type the password, then click on unlock, then click on reveal drive. And here you can see this vault come up with a new disk drive. Go to that vault, move your data into that vault, close it, then lock it again. And now you can upload this tax folder to your Google Drive. And here you can see there is no data available and everything is encrypted. Now you can zip that folder and upload it to your Google Drive. And once you need again that file, just download that file, keep it to your desktop and your Cryptometer application, you will see the vault here. And again, if you want to unlock it, click on unlock, type your password, then click on unlock and it will unlock the drive. Then click on reveal drive and you will get the access of your data. And now if anyone gets this folder and try to access any of your data, he will not be able to access it. It needs that master password to extract the file. Doing this one single step can encrypt your data completely. Then you can upload it to your drive and no one can able to access all of your data because it will be completely encrypted. So guys, like this, using this application, you can encrypt your data before uploading to cloud drives. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SSTec tutorial and I'm signing out.